So this is how to buy official Trump crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, go down to the bottom in the middle and select on the magnifying glass or the search icon. At the top where it says search by name or symbol, go ahead and start typing in official Trump and then select it. Once you're on this page at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Then once you're here, you can type in the amount that you want to purchase. So for example, if you wanted to buy $2 worth, you would type in 2 and then just press on review. Then you can review the order by checking how much of the crypto you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if everything looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and just swipe up to submit the order. So that is how to buy official Trump crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.